So YouTube, we're back here. I got the hole cleaned up pretty good here, pretty square, but what I want to do is check the square of it. So what I got here is a square with a level on it, and you can use this in order to see if you got your hole level, just so that you can cut your piece properly. So as you can see here, if you look at the mercury in the square here, I'm a little bit off on the sides here, on this side. So if I move this, you'll see how the mercury moves in the middle there, and I'm quite a bit off on that side. So what I'll do is I'll cut just a little bit more out of that, just so when I go to Home Depot to get a piece of drywall cut, I can actually get the piece cut properly. And so we'll just check the other side. We'll turn this over and we'll put it along the line here, and we seem to be pretty good on this side. Not too bad for a free-handed job. So that side is good, but we'll continue to clean up on the other side here. And what you can do is, when you take your level and you see that you're a little bit off, what you can do is you can take it and move it to the position where the mercury is even to the point at the bottom here. See, I'm measuring from the bottom here. But if you take at the top here and you look and you move until the mercury moves, you can take your putty knife or pencil and just mark right in here where you have to cut out. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll make sure that I'm straight here, and I'll take my putty knife and I'll cut just to make sure we're good there. Just a little bit off, but that's okay. We can cut the piece and trim the piece that we're going to put in there. So what I'll do is I'll cut that little corner off there, just to make sure that we're halfway level when we get the new piece in. So once we get the new piece in, and we should be good to go to tape it off and go ahead and clean it up, make it look like it's never been a hole there. But also, what you want to do is take your measurement of your hole before you go to Home Depot or wherever you're going to get your piece from. So since I got my level here and it has measurements on it here, you can see my level, it's got measurements, and my son's calling me and I don't know what he wants. I told him to clean his room up. So that's about 8 inches, if you can see here.
Dad,
yes.
did you ever order your birth certificate?
That's 8 inches. So we'll get a piece cut about 8 inches. And let's see. So about an 8 by, what's that? 8 by 6. See, my corner here is, so we'll cut an 8 by 6 1/4. We'll just cut it 8 by 7, and then we'll trim it when we get it back to the house. So what we'll do is go and tell the Home Depot personnel that we need a piece cut here to fit in this hole here. After we clean it up, off to Home Depot for the second time today. Thank you for watching.